An ergonomic split keyboard is supposed to prevent your hands from twisting. The problem is that it forces you to do one of two things that can cause injury. The first possibility is that your elbows and upper arms will hold themselves out and away from the body, resulting in fatigue. Fatigue can lead to tension and pain. An added problem is that in order to move to the function and number keys and preserve the untwisted position, your upper arm has to move away even more. The upper arm is moved by a slow muscle that tires quickly and is not capable of speed. The forearm, by contrast, can move quickly left and right from the elbow without tiring. The second possibility is that if your elbows and upper arms don't hold themselves out, you will have to move your hands alone to the right and left, causing the very twist you're trying to avoid. On a standard keyboard, I'm able to position myself in a way where the hand and the forearm are lined up and can move as a unit from the elbow without holding out or moving from the upper arm, rather initiating from the upper arm, which is very fatiguing and slows you down. I can move in one piece. Here is an example. The forearm is moving with me. Without any twisting, I can move to the function keys in one piece, with again the forearm initiating the motion and the upper arm following in minimal amounts. The lined up position of the hand and forearm may look a little bit turned here at the wrist, but this is not twisting. Twisting is when the hand moves in an isolated way from the wrist to the right or to the left. The over straight position is actually a bit of a twist of the hand to the left.